Hello everyone. So today we are going to make pasta today in our home. As you know, the lockdown is going on due to coronavirus. So we are making the pasta in our home right now. And these are all the ingredients which we require today to make the pasta. So this is a normal pasta which you can get in the grocery store anywhere. This is the butter, Amul butter, black pepper, tomato, onion, garlic, capsicum, vinegar, chili sauce, tomato sauce, salt and pasta masala. Actually we also need soya sauce, but as it is not available right now, but you can use it whenever you will make the pasta. Okay, so now what we need to do, first of all we need to boil this pasta in water, normal water. We need to boil this. Okay, so the first step is we need to boil the water. Okay, just be safe while doing this. First let the water boil, then we will add this pasta in the water. Okay, water is boiling right now. Start. So as far as the water is boiling, we need to cut down these vegetables. So chop this down using a regular knife. You can come here to this. So we need to cut this onion, capsicum and tomato in small pieces. Okay. This is a regular capsicum. We need to cut it down like in long stripes. Okay. So we will cut it like this, very small pieces. So I have chopped this capsicum in small pieces. You can see now as you can see, the water is being boiled, and it is boiling. We are now going to add the pasta in these. Just slowly add this now. Stir this. We need to add salt in this all. Okay, so we will add some salt. This one is just during the boiling process. We need to add more salt when we will cook the pasta, but for now we will add only 1 small spoon. Cut the onions. As you know how to cut the onions, first of all we need to cut it like this from here in 2 parts, then remove these roots it in 2 parts as you have seen. Now we have to remove these 2 parts. These are the extra parts, we did not require this. Cut it as small as you can. Now we need to remove this skin of the onion like this. Now we need to chop it in this direction like this. Now I've chopped these onions. Now we need to cut this garlic right now. First of all we need to remove this top part, or we can just break this into some small pieces like this and just peel off the skin of that. Just break it. Now the garlic is also over. We have chopped this. Now we need to cut the tomatoes in small pieces. But before that, you can see that pasta is boiled. We don't need to boil it more, otherwise it will stick. So we will just remove the water and keep it aside. Now just regular tomato, we need to cut it like this. First of all, slice it from middle and then cut from like this. Actually the knife is not sharp, that is why this is happening. Use a sharp knife always, otherwise you may have faced some problem. Just fry these onions till they become red. Now we need to add, just first of all just lid this up with safety and add some oil in this, normal refined oil. You can see how much oil I have added. Just now, after it will just become hot, we will add the onions and that garlic, and after that it will become red. Then we will add on other things also. You can see that oil is just fry. Oil is hot. Now we will add these onions slowly. And just stir it. Otherwise, it will just stick down. You need to do this in low flame. When you will stir like this, the onions which are stick together will move apart. That is why we are stirring this. Now we will add some salt here. Here is the salt. Just 1 small spoon salt. So that the onion will soak up the salt and become salty. We need to do like this till it becomes red. As you can see, it is white right now, a little bit red, but when will it become completely red, then we can stop and add the capsicum and tomato in this. We forgot to add this. As you can see, this is red. Now we can add the capsicum and tomatoes. First we will add the capsicum and then tomatoes. Just mix it up. Now we can add here some pasta masala. If we are adding 2 pasta masalas in amount of pasta, so we can add the 1 packet here, so that the vegetables will soak up the flavor. Just normally add this. Put some black pepper also. According to your taste. Now you can see the color is changing due to tomatoes and the pasta masala. Once this will cook, then after that we will add the sauce and vinegar, all these stuffs. So just wait and watch. Now as you can see that this is cooked. Now we will add the sauces. We need to add 3 types of sauce here. First is tomato sauce, chili sauce and soya sauce. But as I said in the starting of this video that soya sauce is not available right now due to lockdown. So we are adding just tomato sauce and chili sauce. You can add soya sauce also. Just little bit amount of sauce so that it becomes liquid. And this is chili sauce. In a small amount so that the vegetables will soak up the flavor. We need to add more sauce during the preparation after when we will add the pasta also. Just mix it up. You can see this is looking very good. Now just look this is looking so good after adding the sauce. This is cooked. Now what we need to do, just only add the pasta here and put some masala and more sauce and butter also. So what I'm going to do, this is cooked. Now we will add the pasta here. This is, you can see this is a boiled pastas. We will just slowly add it up. Mix it well. Now we will add more masala, pasta masala. Just add more pasta masala. You can use any pasta masala. We are using just this Smith & Jones pasta masala. We need to add more sauce here so that it will become tasty. But please be sure, don't add very large amount of sauce, otherwise it will just become tangy. Now we are adding the chili sauce for the chili flavor so that it becomes chili in taste, and just small amount of vinegar, little bit amount of vinegar also. We need to add more salt here, just 1 spoon of salt here, according to the amount of pasta you are using or cooking. Now we need to mix it up. This is the benefit of boiling it in low amount. If we will boil it more, then it will just stick together. All the pastas will stick together. So that is why you need to remember that while boiling it, you don't boil it more. Look, this is looking so good. It is not sticking together. Now after this, we need to add some butter. We need to add some butter for the taste. You can see we are adding the butter here. Now we can smell the aroma. Very good type of smell is coming from this. This is cooked. You can serve it. So we will just serve here. You can't believe what type of smell is coming from this. Very good smell. Pasta looking so amazing. So the pasta is completed, and you can see here, this is the pasta looking very tasty. You can also try someday. You can cook it in your home, or you can come here, I will make it for you. Now I'm just